Can you hear us yet, Patrick?
Yes, I can, Judge.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Okay. So I don't care where we start, except you said we had 2 in the county?
We have 1 in the county, but the jail staff has 5 at 9 o'clock and
Right.
run fire change of pleas and sentencing. So they're gonna try and get another officer to take care of the one that's been in custody since Monday. We just found out about
Is Shumack in custody or is he just coming in to quash his warrant?
Caitlin Boston, which is the city of Forest matter, is in the county jail.
You know, I got this order, not to interrupt, but I thought we just dealt with this one the other day, didn't we? No? Yes? Maybe not.
Yes, that's the bench copy.
Oh,
So that's been put on, that's already counted for July something.
I thought we already dealt with that one, though. I'm not sure.
Mark, it's not dismissed yet, but it's on the court calendar for July.
Gotcha.
I'm like, how did they pick that July date?
I don't
It's on
know.
a Thursday. Well, I think
All right, so you and Murphy have to lead me through this because I can't necessarily see the jail. Do we have any Forks jail guys? We're worried about?
I'll give you the Forks people.
Well, we don't have anybody in the, don't see anybody in there yet.
Right. So far, I know these are the people that are in the Forks jail.
Okay.
As far as the state goes, we have one quashing warrant that's supposed to be here.
Oh,
They pay the $100 warrant fee.
Shumack, he's supposed to be here.
And, Mr. Murphy, I emailed you that order of dismissal on that,
Oh, Mr. Tejano, yes, we received that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
oh, okay, all right. So what other case are you here for this morning, Mr. Murphy?
Just Mr. Shumack.
Okay.
And he's not here.
The lady who posted the $100 said that he'll be here, but.
Shumack.
So I know the court has other cases. I have to get over to Healthy Families before 10 o'clock for a forensic child interview.
Well, you can do that. Shumack is local, and I think he lets his work schedule come ahead of his thing. So if we can get him here at all, you don't have to be here necessarily for that. I'm inclined to quash the warrant if I can, as long as we can get him here. Otherwise, I got to put bail up high enough to put him in jail. I didn't want to do that today. I just need him to say that he can actually get here. You know?
Right. And let me take a quick look at, oh my Lord, where's the calendar? There's the calendar.
Oh, there's our in custody. And that's not a Murphy case, the Boston?
No, I think we're Seagull City.
Okay. So yeah, we can let your office know, because I'm inclined to quash the warrant on Shumack if he just shows up, is what I'm telling you. Don't be surprised.
Okay.
But if he's not here, then we're just gonna strike him from the calendar.
Okay. Well, I just want
Okay.
to put on the record that there's a really, really good reason for why he didn't show up. I'd be asking the court to set bail.
Oh, I know. I'm right now, I'm waiting to see if he'll actually show. I guess it was his girlfriend must have posted the bail. Who knows? I don't know.
Well, she posted the warrant fee.
The warrant fee, sorry.
Bail sitting at.
So-
Yeah, the bail's gonna sit there if we don't see him. It's gonna stay the same. So,
Okay, so I will
All
come
right.
back on Zoom, so I'm gonna let the court handle the city cases in custody. I'm gonna go off Zoom, head
Yeah.
down, and I should be able to come back on and see if Mr. Shumack.
yeah, we'll let you know whatever goes on. Ms. Boston, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, Caitlin Boston, you just hold on a second here. You know what we need from you, Caitlin, is, what's that? We need a good address for you, a good mailing address.
you can have my mom's address, and that's 1100 Merchants Road.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the road name. What was the road name?
Merchants Road?
Oh,
That's
Merchants, yeah, Merchants Road here in Forks, you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's trailer 7.
Okay, hang on just a second. Let's see how long this warrant's been out for you. Caitlin, we can't have you just blowing off court. You gotta show up when we want you to show up, you know?
Okay.
The case is January, came from June 2021, so the case is over 2 years old. And bench warrant quash was set for May 25th of this year, and you weren't present, so we're just having a heck of a time getting you here.
I know.
well, are you living in Forks or Port Angeles?
In Port Angeles.
Okay. And you know how to do Zoom yet? Do you have a telephone or tablet you can do Zoom on?
I don't have a phone right now.
Okay, so what you're really telling me is I don't have a good reason to quash the bench warrant. I'm probably going to keep bail right where it is, unless I know I can get you to court. And if you don't have a phone, you can't.
My mom,
What?
well, my mom lives in Forks and she is, I think she's willing to help get me to court.
Yeah, well, see, we got to get past the I think, and we got to get to the I do. So we're kind of past the you know what I'm gonna do, Caitlin, is if Melissa, if Clallam Public Defenders is off the case, we want to put them back on.
Okay.
And so I got a problem here, Caitlin, because we don't actually have court on the 3rd. We got 4th of July is on Tuesday, so we're not coming back till the 10th. And right now I'm gonna keep bail right where it is. I can't change bail. I know, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that to you, but we've already been through this 2 or 3 times. You call the court.
My mom, I promise that my mother will help me get to court.
Well, your mom needs to get in here and talk to the prosecutor about that, because I'm not going to do anything different until she actually talks to the prosecutor. Right now, we're going to keep bail right where it is, and we're going to come back to court on July 10th. And you're going to have your attorney, Mr. Kressel, and we'll let Mr. Kressel know that that he's been appointed to represent you. And if Mr. Kressel and Mr. Fleck can work out a different arrangement, we can always change bail after Mr. Kressel and Mr. Fleck have had a chance to talk. But right now, what I'm looking at is we've been through this at least twice, and so we're not going to change bail. We're going to keep bail right where it is, and we'll see you back here in court. If you do get bailed out, we're going to need to see you here in court at 1:30 on July 10th. July 10th is a Monday. So we'll see you July 10th at 1:30. Okay?
Okay.
See you then. Thank you, jail.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Oh, there's the Forks jail. What's your last name? Are you Hudson?
Yeah,
Okay, good. Hold on a second there, Hudson. Oh yeah, this is the one that I found PC on, and then he had to go to the hospital, I think. Did you get to the hospital, Hudson?
no,
Oh, never mind. I had the wrong guy. Never mind. All right. So anyway, Mr. Hudson, you've been charged with disorderly conduct on cause number CR 30036, and I found probable cause on that, and I put $1,000 bail on you. You got to post $1,000, and I'm not going to change that bail today. We're going to keep it right there. Do you actually have an address, a mailing address, Mr. Hudson?
I do, but I don't know what it is.
Okay. Do you happen to have a telephone number that you remember?
No,
Okay. We are going to appoint Clallam Public Defenders to represent you. We don't actually have court coming up this Monday because 4th of July is next week. We're going to be back in court on July 10th at 1:30. And so you would have to post $1,000 if you wanted to get out of jail. You're going to have to post $1,000. And I need you back here in court on July 10th at 1:30. Can't commit any new crimes. Can't go back over to that place that you were trespassed from. I'm trying to think which place that was right now. It was, yeah. So, yeah, the Shell station. You're prohibited from going to the Shell station between now and the resolution of your case. So we are going to see you July 10th at 1:30.
okay,
All right, thank you. And you said the McNeely's in custody, you think?
who would be my attorney?
Doug Kressel with Clallam Public Defenders. We're going to let him know that he's been appointed to represent you.
Okay,
All righty, thank you.
signature for you.
I should have gone over his rights more with him, but I don't think he could hear me very well. Did he look to you like he couldn't hear very well?
Right.
He had his face almost into that. Shumack,
How you doing?
pretty good. Sorry we had to issue. I just have a hard time getting you to court.
No problem. I slept in that morning.
Well, we don't want you sleeping in. See, that prosecutor, he's gunning for you. I told him that I was gonna quash the warrant if you showed up, which I'm gonna do, but you can't make my life hard for me, because of course I remember the name Shumack because I went to school with Shumack, so I can't get Shumack out of my head. So when you're not here, I notice it.
Yeah.
So did we have a good address for you, Shumack?
Yeah, I the same PO box 236 down
In La Push.
Yeah, that's a good one. I am gonna get it switched here soon,
But you're working right now, aren't you?
yeah, I actually just quit my job yesterday, but on Monday I'll be working.
Okay, you quit your other job, but you're gonna get another job?
Yeah, I got one ready Monday.
Right. Are you logging?
Yeah.
Well, you must be good if you can quit jobs and people hire you.
Yeah, no, I climb trees and stuff. I get after it.
Well,
But on that, the reflections, I was supposed to follow up with them.
right.
May 5th, I ended up actually having my son, and so I wasn't even worried about it, didn't do anything. I called-
So you got too much money for me to appoint you a lawyer, though. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you need to hire a lawyer, and what we want to do, Shumack, is we want to get you in here. What's Shumack? Because he's a state case.
Correct.
So whatever we set you on, you're gonna be 9:30. And what I'm doing is I'm quashing the warrant today, but what I'm thinking of is, how about you come back in on July 17th at 9:30 with a lawyer? Now, if you got a lawyer by then, you don't actually have to be here in person. You can appear by Zoom.
Okay.
If you don't have a lawyer, I need you here in person, 9:30 on the 17th. 17th is a Monday. You can appear by Zoom. So if you're out logging someplace and your phone's working okay, I don't know if you're using an Apple or not, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I can get served, I can try, but.
Right, exactly. So you can appear by Zoom, but just do me a favor, be back here on the 17th at 9:30 with a lawyer,
Okay,
please.
yes, sir.
Okay, Shumack, we'll see you on the 17th.
All right, thank you, you guys have a good day.
You too. McNeely.
Yes, hi.
Hi, good morning. Listen, I said bail on you the other day because you weren't here and I wasn't sure what your situation was. It sounds like you turned yourself into jail after talking to your dad. Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm a little bit concerned about you because I don't really know what your living situation is. And I'm concerned about you using when you're out. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep the bail right where it is right now, okay? You'd have to post bail to get out. And I'm pretty sure I appointed Clallam Public Defenders to represent you. So, Doug Cressel's gonna be your attorney. We're gonna let Mr. Cressel know that you're in custody. Now I got $2,500 cash on both cause numbers. Do you think your dad's gonna post that bail or not?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna bring you back to court on July 10th. We're not gonna bring you back next week. We're gonna bring you back on July 10th at 1:30 in the afternoon, July 10th at 1:30. Clallam Public Defenders represent you. You're gonna have to post $5,000 cash to get out. You can have no new criminal violations. You're gonna have to abide by all no contact orders of the court. So for example, the private property that you were on that day, you can't go back to that address. Anyway, we will see you July 10th at 1:30, okay?
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so Your Honor,
Yeah. Shoot.
I don't know if we'll have any other people show up, so I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna first explain this. When this defendant showed up at the window,
Yeah.
I had him sign his license rights, I got his PO box full of push, he had a doctor's appointment this morning at 10 in Port Angeles.
Yeah.
We have no police report.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna strike that. We'll let the city of Forks, right?
Yeah.
We'll let them figure it out if they
Okay.
can refile. We'll dismiss.
You want to dismiss it?
Well, so you didn't tell him to come back on a certain
I
date?
did not, I said I
Right,
have to talk to the judge and they can call back.
we're gonna dismiss. And then
Okay.
judge, and then Forks can do a
Warrant of
resummons.
dismissal.
Yep, yep.
Right.
At least he showed up and said he had a
Yes.
doctor's appointment.
And they called the day before as well.
Right, so we know he's not a big flight risk.
No, and they're already working with Forks Outfitters. They return the merchandise and everything.
Yeah, it might get worked out.
Forks compromise.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Mhm. And so these other two, this one's posted bail.
Huh,
I think was supposed to be here, and this one it says July 14th, which I counted for the 13th and sent him a summons.
oh, you did?
I did.
Well, let's just go with the 13th. This one here, was this Evans?
With this one, I-
No, Locke, okay.
Because the ticket says a 14th.
It does it? 7/14, what happens on anything on 7/14 is a Friday?
That's a Friday. I don't think you're here.
No. I'm not gonna be here for a ticket on a Friday.
You're not gonna hear, you're on the 10th or 11th either. For the 12th for that matter.
I know. I appreciate Lorraine
You
doing it.
must have a wonderful trip planned for you.
No,
Oh.
I just, I've worked almost every birthday since I was a kid. And I thought, you know what? I'm gonna take this one off.
Yeah, I take floater days sometimes for my birthday.
You think what?
Floater days, you know, we get 4
Oh,
floaters over the county. I
right.
usually take one for my birthday, not always, but sometimes. Depends on-
Oh, and this guy's from Spokane, this Jared guy.
Yeah,
So what'd you say you counted for the 13th?
yes.
Well, we'll see if he shows.
And apparently these two are in cahoots, and so this
Oh.
one came to the window and Mark told him to tell his buddy the 13th.
So we can just go with the 13th on both, can't we?
I guess so.
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.
We don't need to worry about them. If Mark told that guy, we'll worry about them later if they don't show.
And so all that leaves us not to 10 o'clock, we just have one mitigation it's at 10.
Oh, is that right?
So we have probably 10, 12 minutes.
Yeah, I can drink some water.
There you go.
Poor old McNeely, he's stuck there in jail. I wonder if they know he's,
So do you want to go ahead and check the, maybe without prejudice?
yeah, well, without prejudice for sure. Let the city figure it out.
Okay.
They can figure it out. They don't need us to figure it out. Boy, 6:29, can you believe it?
Yeah, how crazy.
Ooh, what's up? You hate it when your throat gets blocked up and you
No,
can't talk.
yeah, they're not doing-
Does that happen to you more in old age? That's a
It
weird
does, it does. Or the weather.
Yeah,
Going on.
right.
I had to holler at little kids to get out of my yard. That's it too. I had to do night before last.
Oh, no.
I was not happy. Hi, who are you?
Pardon?
Who are you?
John Dahlgren? Well, that's an
You're here for the ticket.
Yes. I'm not gonna wear my robe because Dahlgren won't care if I don't wear a robe.
Come on up.
All right. That's a 3A02939335. How you doing, Dahlgren?
Good, good.
You staying honest?
Oh, yes.
I figured.
That's why I got the seatbelt ticket, because he asked me if I was wearing my seatbelt. I says, no. I says, okay, well, I'm gonna give you a ticket. I was just honest. So.
Well, why weren't you wearing a seatbelt?
Oh, I'm in and out all the time. You know,
I do. But why? What are you not still working, are you? Is that why you're in and out?
I start late and quit early.
No, but I mean, are you cruising timber? What are you doing when you get in?
Yeah.
You cruising timber?
No, not
No.
side riding, just making sure the operations.
Yeah. Oh, I see. So
Go.
you're actually,
I'm
you're actually still logging.
well, yeah, I'm not out there setting trippers.
No.
I can't do that. You know that. But
Yeah, I do know that.
Hey,
We're old.
oh yes.
Well,
But-
Dahlgren, you criminal, can I borrow your pen? We're gonna let this criminal go.
All right.
You okay with me letting you go?
Oh, certainly.
Just don't get in an argument with that guy and have him bring that up. Dahlgren, he's been around forever.
Oh,
Dahlgren's been
yeah.
logging since before Noah. All right, you're gonna get a copy of that dismissal, okay?
Okay,
Don't make me stupid.
no. I won't. No, I won't.
I know you won't.
I know I'm all good. All right, thank you, sir. What do I gotta do?
It's just a dismissal. You can either throw it away or keep it, doesn't matter.
Oh,
Okay.
all right, thank
Okay.
you.
Have a good day.
Oh, yeah, it's a beautiful day out there today.
Yes, it is. Summer has started.